Hansel.
And I'm Gretel. And today we're on A Monster Ate My Book of Fun. Today I'll be discussing A Tale Dark and Grim by Adam Goodwitz. Let's get to that report. Hansel, are you okay? What's happening? Are you going to eat my book? Oh, did I mention that Gretel and Adam Goodwitz's book was the one to tell people? Oh, and to find out the rest of the special part, look along. I'm the awesomest fighter. Yeah, run, little wolfie. And that's what I call fighting.